Good morning. It is time to check out of the Hilton Hawaiian Village. It was a good visit.
Yeah, it was nice.
It was a nice resort, but we are heading to better places. So we
I'm so ready.
are very excited. I have my Aulani outfit with my Menehune button down and my gelatoni and Duffy shirt. I'm excited.
I don't have any Aulani merch yet.
We'll change that when we get
but
there.
That will be changed in a matter of hours, so.
Yeah. So we're gonna check in today. I mean, check-in technically isn't until 4 p.m., but we told them we were gonna get there, I think, at 11, which is it's basically 11 o'clock now. So we're hoping, because it's probably like a 45-minute drive, maybe there'll be a chance that our room is ready early, because that would be great. Otherwise, we'll probably have to leave stuff with all services, but we can still walk around for a bit, because we're kind of homeless and have nowhere to go. So I think we're probably gonna go there early and just hope that we can get a room. But then we'll probably explore the resort a little bit. We will probably end up in the store because I'm gonna buy stuff every day we're there. But
I already set my card, because yesterday I was trying to buy stuff at the gift shop at the ranch, and my card was not working, and I figured, well, it's probably because they think well, I'm in Hawaii, and so I literally was just on my phone inside, and I put in Wells Fargo that I'm on a trip.
okay.
So now hopefully my card will work.
That'd be good.
Because I will buy things.
Yep, so tomorrow will probably be like our main like resort tour video if I had to guess. I don't know. Well, let's see how much we film walking around the resort itself today. I'm sure we'll show bits of it, but tomorrow is our first pool day. I think we have 3 days that we're gonna like be at the resort for the day out by the pool, and then we'll have another day where we are probably gonna go to like Dole and Pearl Harbor and that kind of stuff. So we still have, I think, 5 more days of this trip. So it's just getting going, but should be exciting. So definitely stay tuned as we head over to Aulani. We stopped for lunch before heading over to Aulani. We're trying to give some more time for the room to be ready. So we stopped at Eggs and Things, which is one of the restaurants across the street. And we just got our drinks. So I got some Pog juice, which we've already tried, and I think it's better than Disney. It's really good. But we are very close. It's back there behind Amanda. We see it. And we'll be there soon. So my food just came out. Amanda's still waiting for hers. But I got a pineapple waffle with whipped cream and macadamia nuts. And there's a lot of whipped cream. It's kind of scary. Amanda's food just came out. What did you end up getting?
It's a strawberry Nutella cream.
The Nutella looks good.
Yeah, and it looks like there's like sugar, or maybe powdered sugar is just melted in it or something.
And they also brought out some syrup to try with the waffles. They had maple, coconut, and guava syrups to try, so I'm probably gonna end up putting coconut on my pineapple waffle. Aloha from Aulani. We have finally made it. It's very exciting.
Yeah, we've been here for a while, but...
Yeah, we got here a little while ago, so the room wasn't ready at first, so we went and did some grocery shopping. But we got the room now. It's amazing. So
we already went shopping.
Yeah, we just went to the store. But we haven't really explored the resort at all yet. But we are here, which I kind of think we talked about in some of our earlier videos, but I graduated a year ago, my brother graduated a year ago, you graduated this year. My dad's birthday was 2 days before we left, so lots to celebrate here in Aulani. And my parents got a Grand Villa this time, so it should be a very nice day. We have an incredible room. Yeah. So we did already do the resort, like the room tour, so I'll put that in right now. Welcome to our Grand Villa at Aulani. So first up we have this closet right here, right in the entrance. Door to the room's right here. This looks like your standard just closet to hang up some stuff in. Then we come right into the living room. So we got a lot of seating here with some sofas and chairs, some lamps, a bunch of windows out to the, or doors out to the balcony, and then the big TV here, and then the dining area connected to it. Then to the left of the sofas we have the dining table here with some artwork behind it. Then we'll head this direction to the right of the entrance. Over here we have the first bedroom, which has TV here above some drawers to store your clothing. a little desk with a fun Mickey lamp. And of course a mirror. Another door, sliding door out to the balcony with our ocean view. And then 2 beds in here. Got a clock with some USB ports and a phone. And then some artwork here. Now this bedroom has the bathroom across the hall, which is right here. It's a little dark, but there's 2 doors into it. We got a double sink in here. Got the shower, which is a rainfall shower. That's fancy. Like that. Fun shower curtain. All of the toiletries, which I remember the last time I was here, the shampoo is amazing at Aulani. And then the toilet's in its own room right in here.
Let's check the toilet paper. Yeah, make sure it's nice.
It's probably not going to be anything great.
It's nice.
Oh, okay.
It's soft.
That's exciting.
It's softer than Hilton. That's all that matters.
And then the second bedroom's over here. Bedroom itself is pretty much the same, it appears. Have another entrance out to the balcony, but this one is the corner of the tower.
Can we see stuff from the front?
Another view of the beach from here. And now this one does have a bathroom attached. So we got the 2 beds, some more artwork, and then the bathroom is in here with a single sink here.
That's a big shower.
Walk-in shower with another rainfall light above it. Closet, and then another separate room for the toilet. And then if we start back here in the lobby, all those bird noises are coming from the TV. Then we have the kitchen right here. So we got a open countertop here with 3 bar stools looking into the kitchen. And you have a full kitchen here in the Grand Villa. So you can cook if you want. You got an oven, stovetop, dishwasher, microwave, full refrigerator, tons of cabinets and drawers. They have all the different cups and plates you might need in here. There's typically pot and pans in these rooms because you can cook. And then tons of outlets along the counter as well. Here's another look at the dining area. So it looks like it seats 8 with an extra chair here on the side. And then some additional cabinets underneath this artwork of the ocean. I believe there should be a second entrance into the unit. Oh no, it's a closet. Without a light. And there's the second entrance into the unit. It's a very long hallway to get to it. You can enter the room from here. See a little eye hole. So you have 2 doors to enter. And then we have the final bedroom, which is the master bedroom here. So you got same stuff in here. You got the desk, TV. This one does have a little chair off to the side. I don't believe the other ones did. Then you got this sliding doorway into the bathroom, which a lot of the DVC units at other resorts have. Got a nice big walk-in shower in here as well, with a full-size tub underneath the sliding door. The same sink and mirror with all the toiletries, and then of course, again, a separate room with the toilet in here. And more fun Hawaiian artwork. And it looks like each of the bathrooms did have a closet as well as that closet right in the front. Alright, so we did just stop in the store. There's a bunch of things that we knew we were gonna want. Already got a couple of them. There are some things that I definitely wanted to get, but they don't have right now. So they told us to check back tomorrow because they'll get more inventory. So yeah. When we go tomorrow, that's when I'll probably film the store because I want to spread out the Aulani content. So we'll definitely show what the stores have in a different days video since we're here for 5 days. But we're gonna head back up to the room. But before we do that, I think we should go out on the balcony because you haven't seen it yet.
Do that yet, and I want to see it.
Yeah, we're gonna go look at the pool deck. As we're walking over to the open air doorway that overlooks the pool.
It feels so good with the breeze in here.
Yeah, it's all open air, but I do want to quickly show the incredible lobby at Aulani. So of course it's all open air here, and they used to, before COVID, have little tours that would tell you the story of Aulani and how it was built, because this lobby tells you the story of Hawaii itself, I believe, if I remember from the last time I was here. And they put a lot of culture into the design of this building. They really wanted to represent Hawaii properly and not just make it, you know, your standard Disney resort. So it's incredible. But we're gonna go look out at the ocean and the pool. I think tomorrow will be a pool day where we're gonna get to enjoy ourselves in the lazy river and everything. But our room looks out the ocean, so this will be Amanda's first time seeing the pool here.
I want to go on that lazy river so bad.
Oh, but right below us is the restaurant Makahiki in the Olelo room. We got the lazy river there. We got the buildings. It's such a good view from here always. We've made it.
I'm gonna cry.
We're finally here. This trip has been multiple years in the making. We were supposed to come last summer and got canceled, but I'm so happy we finally made it. So we are about to head down to dinner. Well, it's actually filmed in the future. we already had dinner. But we're about to go to dinner. So it was kind of a crazy day. We checked in, we went grocery shopping, we got the luggage sent to the room, then we had a private photopass portrait session on the beach at sunset, which was incredible.
Yes.
So
I had a little surprise.
A little surprise.
Just a little.
Yeah, so that was the surprise of the day / trip. So that happened during sunset, and then we kind of came back and got ready for dinner. We went next door to the Four Seasons and ate at Noe, which is this very nice Italian restaurant. So I kind of quickly filmed the food we got there, so I'll put those clips in now. We're here at our table at Noe. And we just got our appetizer, which are these meatballs and a house-made marinara sauce. And we also got our drinks. So I got a glass of Pinot Grigio, and we did get some focaccia bread, but we already ate it. But here's the oil that went with it. We did ask for more bread because it was really good, so I did want to show what the bread actually looks like rather than just the cup of oil. But it is house-made focaccia, and it's really tasty. We just got our entrees. I got the Noe signature tagliatelle, which looks really good. And we got some fresh Parmesan shaved on top. And then what did you end up getting?
It's a saffron campanelli, I think it's called.
That sounds right.
And it's like, that's the swirly looking pasta.
Oh, good.
And it has crab in it.
No.
So we just got our desserts. So this first one was a celebration dessert they gave to us, which I think they said was chocolate s'mores.
Chocolate s'mores cake.
And this was the tropical pavlova. I don't know what was in it, but it changed colors when they poured.
Yeah, she
the
poured
tea on
some tea, and it was blue. You could still see some blue at the edge.
Yeah.
But it's now purple, and it's really pretty.
Pretty fancy. But that is going to be it for our transition day between the Hilton and Aulani. So there wasn't like a whole lot to share today since it was kind of an adjustment. But tomorrow we'll be up early, going down to the pool. I'm sure I'll be bringing the GoPro down probably and filming the pools and the lazy river and all that fun stuff.
Yeah,
So I think we'll get to explore the resort a little bit
I'm so excited
more.
to be in the lazy river. It's all I've been thinking about.
Yeah, we did just walk around outside a little bit on the way back from dinner. And it's very dark outside at night, but like the resort's just incredible. It's my favorite. So I'm excited to be able to explore a bit tomorrow. We'll probably, I'm guessing, eat lunch out by the pool somewhere, maybe.
I've heard a lot about these chicken fingers. Or
I remember there being really good chicken when I came here a few years ago.
I'm tempted to try that, but I also saw they also had fish and chips.
They have a lot here.
Which I love my fish and chips.
Yeah, there's a lot of food we're gonna have to try.
But we have enough days, so I can try whatever.
They also have a coffee bar in the morning at the like bar where you can get alcohol by the adult pool, but before 11 a.m. it's a coffee bar.
Aulani Sunrise, is that what it's called?
There's like, I think it's called the Aulani Special. There's something that I wanted to try. So I'll probably be getting coffee from somewhere. And then one day there's a coffee place across the street that I wanted to try as well.
Yes.
So I'll have to be getting some good coffee because I haven't had much coffee from the other when we were at the Hilton because there wasn't a ton of options there. But I'm sure we'll have lots to share tomorrow, so definitely subscribe to see the rest of our visit to Aulani and all of the days that we'll have here and the different activities we'll be doing. and definitely give this video a like if you enjoyed our quick visit to, or quick transition, I guess, between resorts and then our visit to Noe, which was really good. So that was some incredible pasta.
That bread.
The bread was good. It was all good.
So good.
And the dessert was incredible too.
Yeah.
So we had a really good day, but...
Best day.
Yes, true. But thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time we go to Disney and beyond.